How to copy any text on the screen on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and further tap on General there. Now go ahead and tap on the Language and Region option you see there. Here, navigate to Live Text and make sure the toggle button for Live Text is enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable the Live Text toggle button. Now, go back and open Photo in Photos application, or you can also view your screenshot from where you want to copy the text. Now, tap and hold on the word, or you can also drag to select more if needed. You will also see the Select All option in the menu if you want to select everything. Once the desired portion is selected, tap on the Copy option, and with this, the text will be copied. And if you want to copy text from the video, then go ahead and play the video and then pause it where the text is clear. Now tap and hold on the word that you want to copy and then select the word that you want to copy and then tap on the copy option from the menu. So this is how you can copy any text on the screen on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.